Hi guys, it's Erica, and today we're going to be talking about how to keep cats out of your houseplants. So I know there are a whole bunch of cat lovers out there. You guys have your little fur babies. I have my fur babies too. I have 4 of them. And sometimes they just like to nibble on plants. They just like to dig in the dirt. And it's not a good thing. For me, I don't have so much of a problem of cats kind of playing in my houseplants or chewing on them. It's more of they will knock my plants down off the table onto the floor. Some solutions that I've heard, I haven't really I don't know, they're just not that, they just weren't for me. So I've heard of spraying your cats with water if they're doing something bad, and I feel bad. I feel bad spraying my cat like that, and I don't think that they're gonna actually learn from that. I think if they're a really dedicated cat, they're still gonna do it, because you can't keep an eye on your cat 24/7 watching to see if it's in your plant. There's also a kind of preventative method where you will keep a specific plant for your cat. Like, that plant is for your cat, whether it be like a little square of grass or a little pot of catnip or some herbs that are cat friendly. Just a little plant for your cat to nibble on and call their own. If you have the problem of cats knocking over your plants like I do, that's not a very helpful solution, because even if it has that one specific plant to nibble on, it's still gonna knock over my other plants. So this is kind of like a solve all solution, and it has worked really well for me. I hope it works really well for you as well. Here is the solution. This is double-sided carpet tape, and they do sell this tape. They do sell this kind of tape specifically targeted for cats and keeping cats off your furniture and keeping cats off certain areas of your house. But the thing about that tape is it is kind of supposed to be a permanent solution, so it's kind of hard to remove, and if you do end up being able to remove it, it's gonna leave a lot of sticky residue. This, on the other hand, is not specifically targeted to cats, but it does achieve the same results. So it's pretty much how it sounds. You just stick it onto a surface of a table, of a floor, and you peel off the top part, and it's just gonna be sticky. It's literally just tape on the floor. But your cat will not like stepping on this tape. It will be a barrier. What we use this for is we have this on our couch, because our cat's like scratching our couch, and it really doesn't look pretty, but it does work. Our cats do not scratch the couch anymore, so it's been really great. We also have a cat, and she pees on this certain spot in our house, so we put it down on the floor there, and she doesn't pee there anymore, so it does work very well. How I would recommend for you to use this for your plants is to kind of, like I said, use it as a barrier. Now, your plants probably would be better off on a shelf or on a table, and once they're on a shelf or on a table, your main goal is to keep them off that shelf or table. Just keep them off in the first place. So what I would do is place the sticky tape on the floor from where they would kind of jump in order to land on the table, and then I would put it on the spot where they would land on the table. So it's kind of like a double hit to them. They're not gonna have anywhere to jump up from, and if they do get up, they're gonna land on the sticky tape, be very unhappy, and jump right off. Then you're not gonna have any danger of a cat being up there, eating your plants, dropping your plants to the floor from a very tall height. And it's just gonna be easier on you. You're not gonna have to keep an eye on your cat spraying it. I've also heard of sprays that you spray your plant with, and it's supposed to smell really bad for your cat. I don't think I would like spraying my plants with that. So this is just kind of an easy physical barrier that you don't really need to be super worried about watching your cat. So let me know if you guys try this technique out, how it worked for you, if you like it, and I will have this link down below so you can take a look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!